Guys, DJ Walker here. What's up? And guess who these little guts are? Puppies! You. What you looking at? The sound might be annoying with all of them barking at once, but trust me, the smell's a lot worse. You're lucky this is not smell-o-vision. Because if it was, your nose, your nostrils would be on fire. And that one on the chain right there is the mommy. Ah! Oh, you're so... Ah, you thought good. Huh? You wanna get on YouTube? Ah. First person puppy view. Get out of my faces. I'm joking. Yeah, oh, you really want to be on YouTube. Oh, look at you. Oh, ah. Oh my god, you're all so cute. You just like, you just laying there thinking, I don't give a crap. WWE Ultimate Puppy Wrestling. Oh, you're all trying to escape, huh? Well, you can't. Actually, see that right there? We put that there because I escaped a few days ago. It was hilarious. But it was pretty cold outside, so we didn't want them getting out. Oh, there's our neighbor's dog, Shelly. And, yeah. I just want to make a quick video because I'm bored. Oh, look what she's just doing. Oh. Look at you all. Ah! Yep. Ah! Oh, that one there just licked me. I bet a lot of you are laughing right now, seeing all these little guys wrestling, huh? Yep. Well, you just barked really loud. For a second I thought one was outside because of the reflection. I'm an idiot, okay? Don't make fun of me. And look at all these chew toys you guys have. Pretty bad for them. I'm sorry for this, you chew toys. He's over here. Or he's over here. Are you talking to him? Rah! Okay guys, I just wanted to make a quick video because I was bored and everything. And sorry that you can't even see my face. Oh, there's my neighbor. And yeah. Well, I think this is gonna be the end of my video. Peace. Bye bye.